Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to change font size in Google Chrome browser. So friends, if you want to change default font size, so click on these three dots, then settings. Now in here scroll down. Here you will find option font size. Medium is recommended, and if you want to set very large or large, so select from these options like very small, large and very large, like this. It's very large. This one large and medium, small and very small. So like this you can change default font size in your Google Chrome browser. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.